Got one. All right. Yep. He's on this bridge right here. Got him.
Let's cut him off.
He's behind me. They're right here. They're right here. They got arc starred. I got one.
God, bro!
Right here.
Oh, I see him.
Oh, thermites over there. I've got 8 of them. Or 6.
Okay. I'm about to have my ultimate. Careful, Snook. Come here.
I'm down. Oh, they actually got heat.
Got one.
Watch out, Snook. Move. Good shit.
Other one's low. Got him.
It's a squad. It's a squad.
Hit him.
Knocked one. Other one's right there.
Got it.
There's one more right here. Good shit,
Got
baby.
him. Yeah, let's push. Let's push him.
One squad remains.
He just jumped off. He's low. Octane's low. Where's he at, Tyler?
He's right here. Fuck! God, get him! Get him! Come on, Winkle. Pull. That's my ball right there, baby!
He's low. I hit him twice.
No remorse. Can't take that car right now, I'm sorry. Oh shit, dude. Good shit, you saved me.
Hit her once. You got purple.
Got her.
Alright, so I heard 2 more times too.
Tango down.
I don't know where these other guys are.
She's done.
I think he's by himself or something.
I'm gonna pop smoke again.
Yeah.
Oh, he's right here. Oh, he's fucking one shot.
Up in the chimney.
Yep, you're right about that.
Watch out. She's fucking shifting, dude. Good shit.
Even in the chimney. Frag out.
Kill leader appointed.
No, there's a dude nearby. Yep. Got him.
Reloading.
Down a target.
All right. Got him. Damn it, dude.
They got me. I'm down.
He's on me. Oh, I got a whole squad, man. Watch out, Jesse. To your right, too. He's fucking healing. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. There you go. There you go. Damn, okay. That boy was not bad. I got that all filmed. Come on, heal up Jesse or something. I'll watch you, Randy. Me too.
I grab him back. Using the med kit. 1 second.
Hey, I'll try to get revived. I got like 40 seconds. I'm out.
Reloading.
Oh.
He's fine. He's fine.
I dropped one shit. I dropped another one shit. boy!
Oh, I ran out.
Still alive? Oh, I got him.
Bandaged here about a minute ago. I broke his shield. It's gold in there.
Watch it, because we do have guys to the left,
Yeah.
to the east, on the bottom of the hill, so they might push us.
Hey, they're right here. They're right fucking here, bro. He's coming up. He's coming up. He's right in here.
Guys, we're going to come up.
Oh my god, dude, there's 3 of them, man. He's pushing. Push back. Fall back.
Is that them that...
Yeah, that's it. He just do that shit.
that time?
He's pushing up. He's got purple. Up.
1 minute. The ring isn't far.
I knocked her.
I'm shooting back up. Behind us, Tyler! Behind us, Tyler! Tyler, behind.
Yep. No!
Running up. There's one running over there towards the bunker.
Find that fucking jingaboo.
He's got a decoy. He's on the roof.
I'm getting shot.
Taking damage, friends.
Down 1.
Game audio, yeah.
I have been downed.
Oh shit.
We're all inside this room.
I broke a shield.
Damn.
Knocked him. Oh, I get shot at.
Where?
I don't know. Oh, it hit my. Dude, it just made me jump. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Right here, Tango's.
Target over there.
He's got blue armor. Here. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna wait for him to hop up.
1 minute until close. Rings nearby.
I knocked one.
Oscar Mike, I'm spotted.
Damn, I don't have a fucking gun.
Reloading. Fired and they're hitting me. Reloading.
Wouldn't let down range. Attention.
Oh shit.
Yeah, they're here.
Uh oh. Damn it. Damn, dude. Oh, fuck.
Reloading. Enemies down.
Oh, he's on top. Shit.
Give me a sec. Recharge your shield.
He's fucking one shot, bro. Get him.
Deploy.
Ah! Right here.
I know. I see him.
On my marker. Right here. Recharging my shields.
Where they at?
Down. But alive.
Taking fire.
There's the other one.
Enemy down.
Get his ass.
Woo! You blew the Mosey, big bitch!
And a prowler.
Yeah, about
Whatever.
Tango's.
Oh, right there. Damn.
Firing. Rings nearby.
Right behind this wall, I think.
Bad guys here.
A wraith.
Throwing jump pad.
She's right there, dude.
Whole squad ate my dust. Charging on my shield.
I'm shielding up. Knocked. What's up, baby? When your teammate saves the whole team and we come back and get a dub, I called it.
I killed the whole squad.
I got gas. Got him.
Enemy down.
He's right here. He's right here. That's my boy, baby! I told you I motherfucking called that, baby! Yeah!